things out, I have my Spot Gen 4 running, just going to see if that works. I've also got it tracking my route, and I've got another rear tyre on. I think my old one was a Moto Z, which lasted quite well. And because I'm such a tight arse, I basically went and bought the cheapest rear tyre to replace it. So it looks about half worn already, to be honest, compared. I'll let you know what it is later on, and I'll show you compare the two. But yeah, let's just see what happens. Beautiful morning again, a bit windy, so that's why I'm on the bike. So I'm also trying out a new app I've got on my phone, which I haven't turned on yet because I know where I'm going. So we're going to see how that works as well. So we're back in Mullumbimby, back at the valley. Let's just see if we get attacked by the magpie, Frosty's magpie as it's well known. Well, between me and Frosty anyway. No. No, all safe. So just like the last ride, we're crossing into New South Wales, and again, spectacular view. A bit cloudier today, I think. So we're back to Chillingham again, but in this ride we're not going to go straight on to Mullumbimby, we're going to turn right to Tyalgum. Now, I always bore everyone to death who I bring down here because it's amazing how much rain we do get, and the flooding we get is pretty immense. All these properties on the right were flooded out not long ago, and there's a mark on the bridge that I always bore my daughter to death every time we come down here, and it actually shows where the water line came to from this. Well, it just looks like a little stream at the moment. Or see if you can see this mark on the river, on the bridge, sorry. So there's the mark on the bridge, 2017. So when you actually look at the creek, or is it a river? I'm not sure. Looks absolutely nothing, so it's pretty amazing. When we do get rain, we certainly get it. Okay, Tyalgum, 13 kilometres. There's a bit more evidence of the amount of water and flooding we get. This road's been like this for quite a while now. So here we are in Tyalgum. In the Oxley River. Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How can I help you?
Could I have a flat white, please? So Tyalgum, where we've just left, is in the middle of the volcano that used to be here, obviously not active anymore, but as you can see it's a massive volcano. Did they call it a super volcano or something? And yeah, so we're right in the middle of the crater here, and you can see it going round and round and round. And then over back there, that's Mount Warning, which I think was like the middle of it, if I remember rightly, but I'll have a look at a map and we'll check that out. But yeah, and the Border Rangers ride that we did the other week, that sort of goes along the top along there. So when you're, one of the lookouts that we did the other week is sort of over there somewhere looking back towards here. Amazing stuff. This is the first of the gravel. As with all rides from the Gold Coast, there's a fair amount of tarmac just to get to at least a gravel road. So I'll be interested to see how much grip I get with these new tyres. Got to get into my off-road mode. I'm still a bit tarmacy at the minute. I'll get into it in a bit. But yeah, there's a bit more grip there. says do not cross when water is across. I think we'll go right at that. Down for dust, so that's what we do. Right, so this is Yukai. Time to follow my GPS now. I'm supposed to go. Right. How do we get it to stay in the middle? Ah, yeah, there we go. That's working a treat. This is a nice road. Where are we now then?